Hey guys, sorry if this lighting is a little off. It's actually getting dark where I'm at. Plus, thunderstorm. It's raining a little bit, but I see a little bit of lightning. Didn't hear no thunder, but I guess it's supposed to be some kind of thunderstorm or something. So anyway, just got done my wash at a local laundromat, and I see this new place that, I guess it's a new place to me anyway, that I guess it's like a taco joint or something, and looks like a pretty fancy place, or fancy but sort of cool. So I believe it's called Frida's Mexican Taqueria, if I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know the languages, so sorry about that. Anyway, got a few I think about three steak or beef tacos or something like that, and maybe some sauce. So let's check out what they gave me in the bag. And if you're somebody that's been to this place, wherever you are, please let me know in the comments section. All right, so let's see what they gave me. Hopefully you guys can see this with the lighting. So looks like three decent beef or steak tacos, some lime I believe they put with it. There you go. See the lime, 3 tacos, soft tacos that is. Also they gave me this kind of sauce. I don't know, is it like a mild, or is it like, I don't know. And then, well, that's the yellowish or green red, yellowish or whatever, and here's the somewhat reddish. So I don't know if there's a difference. One's spicy, one's not. One might be mild, I'm not sure. So let me use this paper bag as like a, I don't know, tray or something. And let me pop the top on this, and maybe I'll get a better view of these things. Like I said, sorry for the lighting and everything. It just started getting dark, and I'm like, just trying to hurry up and do this because I have somewhere to be tonight. Anyway, so here you go. All right, top is off. There's the tacos right there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try a taco without sauce and see what it's about. There's 3. So, and the good thing is about these kind of places, it looks like they double up on the taco. It's a soft taco, so that if one breaks through, I guess, or something, and you're good. So, meaty little things. They got the onions. They got, I guess it's lettuce. Sorry. Looks like lettuce, I guess. Or is it cilantro or something? I mean, not cilantro. What's it called? Scallions, maybe? I don't know. I'm not really sure. It's a meaty little thing. And they got 3 of them. But if you really want a good taco, go to places like this. A Mexican taco. Like I said, this one's called Frida's, I believe. Frida's Mexican Taqueria instead of tequila. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry if I'm not. These are good, and I'm telling you, you get your money's worth, because you get what you pay for. I guess, yeah, these are lime. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of lime on this one. Actually, more than a little. There we go. And now I'm going to go for the sauce. I don't know which one's which. Does red mean hot or spicy? I mean, like I like my spicy stuff. Or like, which one's which? Is this hot because it's red, or is this a mild, or is it hotter than this one? I don't know. I guess what I'll do is I'll try one on one taco, and the last taco I'll try the one on the other. So, if I'm saying it right. I'm smelling the sauce. Does it smell spicy for the orange one, or red, whatever it is, orange. I'm going to drizzle some on it, which has the lime drizzled on it too. There, just a little bit. Put the top back on so no leakage. Actually, yeah, that's spicy. But not that bad. So let's see. Here's the second taco with the orange sauce and a drizzle of lime. I've got a kick to it. But it's good. I think they're steak. They're steak tacos. Steak tacos with lime and mild or spicy sauce. They give you both. That was good. They're not that big, but they're not small. It's like they're just right. So, depending on what it is, like, if it's a really big, say like a burrito, sometimes, I mean, usually I could eat one of those if it's a really big one. If they're the small burritos, maybe one or two, give or take. So, with that said, now we're going to go for the green or yellow-green sauce. I don't know if it's spicy or, like I said, or if it's just a mild and a little kick. Or maybe it's just mild. So now I'll do the drizzle of lime on the third taco. There we go. Drizzle of lime. I love lime, especially when you get like a margarita or something. Anyway, we're going to go for the yellow-green sauce. I smell it. That might be a good kick one. But I'm not going to do a lot of it. I'm just going to drizzle some. And there we go. I did a little more than expected. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think that's like a jalapeno flavor. I think so. Jalapeno or hot pepper flavor, or I don't know what you call it. Or jalapeno juice. Maybe. Hot pepper juice. Maybe that. That's a good meaty one, this last one, this third one. Look at that. That thing's meaty. It's not as spicy as the first one. I thought it would be. I can't make out what kind of sauce it is. There we go. See the meat. Just like that. Where's the napkin? There we go. You know when it's good sauce, or spicy sauce too, especially when it clears your sinuses, and that's a good thing. Spices are good for you. I'm not saying to constantly eat hot stuff. I don't mean that. Or spicy, hot, you know. Yeah. Frida's Mexican Taqueria. That was good. It's a really nice place. Nice sit-down place, too. Of course, I got mine to go. 3 steak tacos. Yes, there was onions on them, and I can't make out what the green was on it. Is it like cilantro or something? Maybe onions and cilantro, or maybe onions and maybe it's scallions. I don't know. But anyway, so I'd say they were really good. Fast food restaurants are getting cheap with quantity as well. Like you're paying more to get less, and that's not good. As for this place, Frida's, I think it was really good. I have to say they were really meaty. They were really good. Awesome taste. They give you a mild sauce. I thought it was going to be really spicy. It smelled like maybe like a habanero, not a habanero, jalapeno. It smelled almost like a jalapeno kind of sauce, but it wasn't really spicy. Well, maybe to me it ain't. Maybe to some people it is, because I'm used to spicy food. So maybe that's why. As for the other sauce, that had a good kick to it. But it was good. Because you know how sometimes you get like a spicy hot sauce, and it's more hot and no good flavor to it? Like, you want to have some kind of sweet flavor and getting kick at the same time. So, anyway, with that said, enough rambling. I give those between 1 and 5 stars, 5 being the greatest, 1 being the worst, or least. 4.5 stars. They were awesome. They were good. Awesome presentation. They were really good. 4.5 stars at Frida's Mexican Taqueria. I hope you guys like this video, guys. Please like this video. Share this video. Please leave your comments. Drop a comment under if you've been at this place, and if not, if you're in my area, give it a shot. See what you think. And please ultimately subscribe and share the channel. Greatly appreciated, guys. Have an awesome one. I need to get back to what I'm going to be doing tonight. And I'll see you guys really, really soon. Keep on rocking and subscribe. Have an awesome night. Till next time, rock on.